In Myanmar, we've been present for over 20 years. We have been very much active in the immunization programs. We have sold a lot of equipment to the territory, either through donations or through the local government, but also into the blood safety program, again for the local government or the military. And in respect to Asia, our interest in the territory is really to promote the long-lasting solutions, sustainability of the solutions, and we are trying to develop products through the research and development which have a very, very long lifespan, but also the lowest total cost of ownership on the market. It is the very first time worldwide that we are presenting this product. It's our very new generation of solar direct drive refrigerators. So this is typically a refrigerator which is working on solar energy only, without any battery. And it is the newest generation which we have just finished developing actually. And this product is in process of being validated. And it's the very first time it has been shown public at this event. So actually the solar direct drive products is a new technology, or a relatively new technology, because solar refrigerators have been existing for many, many years, but they were always based on a combination with batteries as a backup. And the solar direct drive is actually a solution which eliminates the batteries, and this is very good because you have no longer consumables, and instead of having the lifespan of your solar solution, which is quite reduced due to the batteries, now you have a solution which could easily work 10 to 20 years if you maintain the system under the right conditions. And so the technology of the solar direct drive in the Ultra is even a step ahead, because this unit is giving an answer to territories where there is not enough sunshine to maintain the system running. For example, traditional solar system will give you an autonomy of approximately 4 to 5 days when there is no sunshine. So that means that during 4 or 5 days, the temperature of the vaccines will be kept stable. This unit has a much higher performance because it can maintain the temperature for over a month. So the biggest difference is that today we have products on the market which are working on either solar energy, and then when there's not enough solar availability, ray availability, then we transfer this option to a gas or kerosene operated unit. Now that we have really pushed and improved the solar energy solutions, including with some technical solutions that we have imported from our know-how from medical refrigeration in the industrial world, we have been able to combine both knowledges to come up with a completely new product who really satisfy the need for territories which do not have enough sunshine to maintain 365 days a year the continuity of safe vaccines. And now with this solution, even in any territory, you are capable of doing so only based on solar energy. The SROI, so the social return on immunization, is a study which we took at heart since last year, because we had a very successful implementation in Nigeria where we installed several thousand units of solar products. And it is quite obvious that the immunization is one of the most highest returns that you could have in terms of social return. It's the immunization of young children. And it was very little literature available on the market. There are some segments which have been studied, but to have a complete SROI study was not available. So we have been really working a lot on that with external parties, and this has then, once completed, been also validated by Harvard University. The ADAF Summit is some really excellent platform for us to have direct contact to decision makers. And the good thing is that also the fact that it's changing from location, it gives us access to new people. And that's something that we have confirmed during this event, is that we have met a lot of new people, a lot of new decision makers. And I think also for us to promote our message of sustainability, of reliable products, of our 10 years warranty, it's a unique communication opportunity that we have thanks to the ADAF Congress. I think in terms of quality, both events have had a very high level of quality in terms of audience, in terms of quality of focus on the right people. So I would say, of course, it's a completely different territory. The country is in a completely different situation. So for us, the two events are of importance. I think Bangkok was a very good success for us, but Myanmar absolutely was also a success for us. And I think we certainly will continue to participate to these kind of events because it really is very helpful for us.